How to fix Instagram Note feature not showing. First of all, head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here in state of open, if it shows the option of update, it means that your application has not been updated to the latest version. So it might be one of the reasons that the Instagram Note music feature is not showing up. In this case, all you gotta do is tap on update and update your application. Once it is updated, you can go back and head over to your Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe left and head over to your inbox. Tap on this note icon. So right here you can see that there is a little music icon. Tap on it. From here you can add or choose any of the song that you want and add to your notes. But even if you have updated, if this note music feature doesn't show up in your Instagram, then in the next step what you can do is go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of account types and tools. Once you find it, head over to it. Right here you need to switch from your personal account to professional account. Switching to professional account might fix the issue that you have been facing. So tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue. Select any of the category that describes you and then tap on done. Select creator and tap on next. Right here you need to fulfill some of the steps. You can just skip it for now and go back to your profile. Your account has been switched to professional account. Now move into your feed and head over to your chat section. Tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. So there you can see that your Note music feature is available to you. But if it's still not showing up on your Instagram, then in the next step what you can try doing is head over to your profile. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of help and then head over to it. Tap on report a problem. So right here you need to enter the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have written. Once it is done, tap on send at the top right corner. Well, the report has been submitted to the Instagram team. Now within an hour, the Instagram team will definitely come up with a solution for you and you'll be good to go. So this was for today and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Instagram Note music not showing. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.